Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix Apple Watch not syncing with health application. So before moving to deeper settings, let's start with the basics. First of all, you have to restart both devices. Next, you want to check software update. So on both your iPhone and Apple Watch, you should have the latest iOS and watchOS versions. As well, you have to make sure that Bluetooth is on and that your devices are close together. And additionally, you can try force closing applications. So now, if none of the above steps help you, then let's go to deeper settings. You want to, first of all, open Settings application on your device, and let's go to Privacy and Security. Now here you want to find Motion and Fitness, and please make sure that both fitness tracking and health are enabled. And additionally, let's go to health application to check one more setting. So we want to go to Browse section at the bottom right corner of your screen, and now let's select Activity and let's open Steps section. Now we want to scroll to the very bottom of this page and select Data Sources and Access, and under the section Data Sources you will see all devices, and let's tap Edit in the top right. And you want to touch and hold the 3-line icon next to your Apple Watch and drag it to the very top of the list like this. Yes, so that may be a solution for you if your iPhone is counting steps, but it might be ignoring the watch data, of course, if the priority is set incorrectly. So you have to rearrange your Apple Watch to the very top of the list. So I hope that after completing those steps, your Apple Watch should now sync with health application, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.